Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove a trade hold on Steam so your trades and market listing go through without delays. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your Steam application in your PC, and once you open the application, log in to your account. Once logged in, you need to go ahead and tap on Steam, then select Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Security. Inside Security, go ahead and tap on Manage Steam Guard. Now, you'll see two options. Get code by email or get Steam Guard codes from Steam mobile app. To remove thread holds, you must select the Steam mobile app option that is at the top right over here. So, once you've done that, add and verify your mobile number in Steam. Once verified, your Steam account will be protected with Mobile Authenticator. After enabling the Mobile Authenticator, you will need to wait 7 days. Once this waiting period is over, your trade will no longer be placed on hold. That's it. That is simply how you can remove Steam trade hold and start trading instantly. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.